To begin this lesson on how to write a conclusion for an argument, you need to find your organizer, and we're going to go through this. As you notice, there's 4 pieces here. We're going to end up with a few more sentences than just 4 because some of these pieces have more than 1 sentence in them. To begin, we're going to use a transition word and a quick summary. I'm going to include a small background information, a little bit of background information in this quick summary, as well as I'm going to include the 2 different pieces, 2 different sides of the issue, excuse me. I'm going to say many people do this and others think this. So I'm going to start with my transition. You want to make sure that you are picking a different transition, a little bit higher level instead of to conclude. And then here's my background information. So to conclude, online education has emerged in recent years as being a hot topic to debate. Now please, when you write yours, make sure that you're using different words, but getting the same idea down. Now I'm going to do both sides of the issue. I'm going to start with many. Many believe that it is necessary while others see no reason for it. Okay, the next part we are going to put the reasons from the intro and from the paragraphs and put them into 2 different sentences. My first reason is the first one I wrote about in my introduction and the first one I wrote about in my paragraphs. And I'm going to put that one in a sentence by itself. And I'm going to say online learning is a perfect way for students who cannot travel to traditional classrooms. Let's see. Online learning is a perfect way for students who cannot travel to attend class. Okay? My second and third reasons I'm going to put into one sentence together. I'm going to combine them into a compound sentence. And I'm going to say it teaches about technology, that's my reason number 2, and helps prepare students to collaborate globally. That's my reason number 3. The next thing we need is we need to start the claim, restate the claim. I'm going to restate it again. I'm not looking at it. I do know what my claim is, and I'm going to put it in whatever words I have right now. And I'm going to say learning online is vital to the success of today's students and is a necessary aspect of the educational experience. Now, I apologize for my handwriting, but I'm writing fast to try and finish this up for you. The next thing we need is a call to action. Now, when you do your call to action, it's sort of like a so remember sentence, but we don't want to tell people directly what to do. We don't want to say, you need to do this. So we're going to move it around so we're not speaking directly to them, but we're making them think we are. So I'm going to say, so when an opportunity to explore online learning arises now I'm going to tell them what to do without directly speaking to them. I'm going to tell them to take advantage of that opportunity. So when an opportunity to explore online learning arises, take advantage of it. Now I'm going to tell them why it's important to do that. I'm going to say the experience alone will prove how valuable online learning truly is. Okay, I'm going to read this conclusion to you so you can hear it, and after that I'll go through and explain all the pieces one more time. To conclude, online education has emerged in recent years as being a hot topic to debate. Many believe that it is necessary, while others see no reason for it. Online learning is a perfect way for students who cannot travel to attend class. It teaches about technology and helps prepare students to collaborate globally. Learning online is vital to the success of today's students and is a necessary aspect of the educational experience. So when an opportunity to explore online learning arises, take advantage of it. The experience alone will prove how valuable online learning truly is. So I have my transition with my quick summary, a little bit of a background information, and then I also discuss both sides of the issue. I say some people think this and others think this. I list my reasons. I've put them in 2 different sentences. My first one is in one sentence by itself. My second and third reasons are in a sentence together. Then I restate my claim, and I do my call to action. My call to action takes up 2 pieces. It has what I want them to do, and then why that's important that they do that, without directly saying you should do this. Okay? Thank you very much.